Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to install a theme in your WordPress website. First, log in your WordPress admin panel. Here you will find an appearance option in the left side panel of your area. Select the themes. Here you will find some themes. Now here you will find an option of add new. Just click this option. It will lead you to an area where all the themes are available. If you want to search some theme, like I want to make a website of restaurant and I want to search themes regarding restaurant website, I have to type here restaurant and click enter. Here you will find some themes. Just mouse over the theme. You can check the details and preview of this theme. You can directly install it or you can preview it from here. If you want to install this theme, just click the install button. And if you have already a theme zip file, compressed file, then you have to upload the theme file here, from here, like this. The job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.